Hey there! Ready to boost your brand's online presence? Today, we're diving into the best social media marketing strategies to get your company noticed. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your approach, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Social media marketing is a powerful tool for reaching new customers and increasing brand awareness. It's cost-effective and lets you connect with your audience on platforms they already use. Plus, it's a great way to engage with your customers and get their feedback. Choosing the right social media platforms is key. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great for starting out. They offer broad reach and high engagement. As your business grows, consider adding YouTube and LinkedIn to your strategy for more targeted content and professional networking. First things first, set up your social media accounts. Create business pages on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Make sure your profiles are complete with your logo, business information, and a clear call to action. Content is king. Post content that's timely, relevant, and interesting. Use images and videos to make your posts visually appealing. Share updates, behind-the-scenes looks, and user-generated content. Consistency is key. Regular posts keep your audience engaged and informed. Don't just focus on your content. Share relevant content from other sources too. This builds relationships and adds value to your followers. Curating content shows that you're informed and engaged in your industry. Consider social media advertising to reach a wider audience. Ads can target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. They're a great way to boost visibility and drive traffic to your website. If you need help, our social media advertising packages are designed to get you the best results. Starting a blog can further enhance your social media strategy. Share in-depth updates, industry insights, and valuable content that your audience will love. A blog helps drive traffic to your site and improves your SEO. Remember, consistency is key. Regular updates keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Schedule your posts to ensure you're consistently active across all platforms. Ready to take your social media marketing to the next level? Start by implementing these strategies today. And if you need expert help, book a free consultation with us at Effeect. Let's grow your brand together. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on digital marketing. See you next time.